So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways that you can unplug. I'm actually taking a challenge. Can't believe it, but on March 9th, I'm participating in the National Day of Unplugging, which means this is gone, my computer's gone, iPad is gone, all these devices are going to be gone. I'm going to be focusing on family and spending time working on projects and I won't even record them. It'll be just for me and just for my family, and it's not going to be about anything related to an electronic. Although, I wonder if power tools, battery-powered power tools, that I think we may plug in. Well, stick with me because I'm going to share with you 5 different ways that we're going to unplug, and hopefully I can inspire you to join us on March 9th to unplug yourself and your family so that you can get more time back and do the things that you love. So let's jump right into it. So for this National Day of Unplugging, we are putting away all of the electronics that really zap us and zap our time and pull us away from the things that we love and the people that we love. But yes, power tools can stay. So we're going to be cutting some wood, and this is perfect because it's been shown having wood in your home and being around wood can help lower your blood pressure and make you feel less stressed. So for this project, we are going to make a DIY book nook. And the reason why is because reading, number 1, is my first recommendation for spending your day. When you've got a whole day of no electronics, grab a glass of wine, get your favorite book, get a magazine, and just prop your feet up and enjoy doing something that you don't normally make time for. To make this DIY book nook, you will need 7 pieces of wood, and the dimensions for that will depend on the size of your sofa. But if you go down below to the description, there will be a link to the materials list, and it'll have more information about how to come up with those measurements. So to put it all together, we will glue it, and we'll use some nails, or you can use pocket holes. Just a reminder, make sure you clean up any spills of the glue on the wood, because if you are staining, glue will actually prevent the stain from sticking to the wood. So make sure you wipe up any seepage. You can leave your pine natural or you can stain it. I'm going to stain mine, and so I like to use a pre-stain first so that I get a nice even color on the wood. And I love the look of gray wood, so for this project I just mixed together a weathered gray with a darker stain, and so it gave me something a little bit in the middle, which I really liked. Stencils are always amazing, so I did a stencil on the front that says Book Nook, and then I added a coat of clear wax so that I could protect the sofa and the books and magazines, and I think it looks really, really good. I love it. Here's a really fun idea. Print out pictures of all of your before and afters of your room makeovers and then put them in a scrapbook or a photo album. How cool is that? Your house, I can guarantee, does not look the same as the day you moved in compared to what it looks like now. So when people come over, instead of walking them through your bedroom and your bathroom, you can pull out your scrapbook and show them your awesome projects. This is a great way to spend a day of unplugging.
I'm setting it up. You can help me.
And this is one of my favorite ideas, is to simply play a board game with your family. I've got 3 boys, ages 11, 8, and 6, and they absolutely love the game Sorry. I love it too. And we just sit there and we'll play for a good hour and just have a really good time. This is a great way to just unplug and reconnect with your family.
Sorry. I just got out and then you killed me again.
My 4th idea for a day of unplugging would be to knit something. Well, you could crochet, you could sew something, but for me, I really love knitting. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time in my day to do this, but I do keep a little thing of knitting. You can see it's full of holes, and I keep it right next to me in my desk. So when I have a few minutes, I just pull it out. I do some knit stitches, some purl stitches, but this is a great way to sit down and actually do a hat or a scarf and just have a really fun day of knitting and creating something with your hands. And I'm saving the best idea for last, and that is just going for a nature walk with the family. This is something that we absolutely love to do. We tend to do it on holidays when we all have off from school and work, but I notice that I'm able to enjoy my family and laugh at them and just enjoy their little antics. My middle son, well, actually my youngest son too, they just love to dance. And so, not looking at a screen, I'm able to just watch them just be themselves and let their little personalities come out. And I love it. It's just so much fun to watch. So whether you're curling up with a good book, making a fun scrapbook about your home, knitting something, hanging out with your kids on the bedroom floor, or just watching your 8-year-old break out in random dancing while you're on a walk. It's time to focus on doing more things that make you happy and energizes you. And I challenge you to try any number of these projects and ideas for the National Day of Unplugging on March 9th, and go back to woodnaturally.com for more information about how you can incorporate wood into your life and your home. I'll see you next project.